guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're finally going to be doing the test drive on the Beamer.
Last time we tried to drive this car right here, it actually was so low to the point that the body was just chilling on the wheels. So we officially have got BC coilovers on it. We're going to cross our fingers and hope that the startup goes well, and we're going to take it for a drive down the street and not on the public road because we're not trying to die. Now here's the thing. The only thing that scares me is that that fan did not kick on.
Well, it could be a temperature thing.
If I turn the heat on, maybe
That's what I'm saying. It could be like the car has to get up to a certain temp for the fan to kick on. I know some cars are like that.
I guess so. Well, I guess we'll see when we get back. But we're gonna move around the cars and we're gonna take it for a drive. And Bradley right here is gonna drive it. Ain't that right, Bradley?
Yes, sir.
All right.
You ready?
Yep.
Yeah, no seatbelts.
What if the cop pulls us over? They're gonna be
illegal. Hey, give her a few revs.
Tachometer ain't working.
Huh?
The tachometer and the speedo ain't working.
Uh-oh.
I mean, we don't need it. How much is it? No, but we don't need it. He's not slow at all. He wants to go, dude. That wasn't even full.
Now we were gonna change the rotors, but we just wanted.
Pretty good.
Do they?
We're gonna test them real good. She worked good, dude.
Yeah. That.
Oh, revolver! I call it a revolver.
Are brakes existent?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, you felt what the brakes feel like.
She's alive. Holy shit. Hey. She's alive.
That's kind of weird.
Oh, the RPMs are working.
I know, I told you we were. Now, she's not the best.
What do you mean?
She got some torque at first, but we should put ports into it, is what I'm saying. And the MPH just kicked on.
What?
It snapped it with like a boot.
Did it? I hope I got that on camera. Oh. That fan never kicked on.
Let me see what the temp's at. Yeah, for now.
Was it building?
She's at operating temp.
Operating?
It's fucking hot, dude.
Alright guys, certified ripper or smoke show? Oh, smoke show. My bad. It is a ripper though.
It is a ripper.
What?
He only set himself. We gotta go.
Yep.